I'm Dr. C.B. Williamson. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Florida Orthopaedic Associates in Port Orange. I'll be answering some questions that patients frequently ask. Total knees will usually last long enough for the patient to not have to have a replacement. The thing that fails the most is the plastic, and that can wear out. The engineers from the companies tell us that the plastic should last about 30 years. Other problems can occur. The knees can become infected, they can loosen, but that's not very common. Joint replacements have been improving steadily since I've been in practice. Some of the newer technologies, such as robotics and computer imaging, have improved the longevity of joint replacements and the likelihood that the results are better over the long haul. As time goes on, we're going to find more and more improvements in that technology, hopefully to make the prosthesis last longer and to make it feel more natural.